Do you want to start selling merch on Amazon? We're going to show you how to set up an Amazon merch account, complete it with contact information, banking details, and tax information. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you create the business and life you deserve. So make sure to smash the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss out on everything online business. It's called print on demand. You create designs and put them on merch like hoodies, t-shirts, and phone cases. Once someone makes a purchase, the product is manufactured, shipped to the client, and you get paid. Amazon takes care of the whole infrastructure for you. If you think that sounds pretty cool, smash the like button. Let's get started. I'm gonna give you important information about the banking codes, account codes, and tax codes as well. Head over to merch.amazon.com and we'll start the screen share. Click the sign up button, create your Amazon account, give first name and last name, email, and a password of at least 6 characters. Create your account and then verify it with a one-time password that is emailed to you. Read the service agreement and accept. It's time for business contact, bank details, and tax details. Press continue. Is your business individual or a corporation? Give it here. Also the date of your registration and the country. Scroll down and give all of your address information. Remember to also give phone number and email address at the bottom. Moving on to where your bank is located and the account holder name. Let's stop the screen share right here because I'm gonna tell you about the IBAN and BIC codes. Okay, so listen up. The IBAN number is a global ID number for your individual account. Find it in your internet bank. In Sweden, it starts with SE and has another 22 digits. The BIC or SWIFT number is your bank's global ID. My bank, for example, has a global ID with 8 characters. Find it in your internet bank. The TIN number is your tax identity number. If you have a business, it's your corporate ID. If you have an individual business, it's probably your personal ID. Find it at your tax authorities when you log on. Back to the screen share here. So here you put the account holder name, which is probably you, and then the codes. Now you're all set up to receive payments from Amazon, from the different marketplaces. It's time for your tax information. Save and continue, complete tax info, give a couple of answers to what type of business that you have, whether you reside in the US or not. Scroll down, answer some more questions, and then get to this tax identity. Select the country of origin for your business, give the name of your organization, and if your mailing address and permanent address are the same, just click done, and then now give this TIN number that I earlier explained, the one that in Sweden has 24 characters. Confirm, then it's time to sign. So you check the boxes and then you sign at the bottom, come back to this page where you scroll down for save and continue. And then you have to answer yet another sign-up form where you describe your business and the intention that you have with your merch business. Okay, so your request has been submitted. It's going to take you approximately 14 days to get an answer. In the meantime, click the templates and start creating your designs. Hey, to create your designs, you need Canva, and in this video, you get Canva Pro for free. See you there.